Hello friends, welcome back to Blocktrade. In this video, we'll be learning about if-else conditions in Solidity. So in the last video, we looked at loops, what kind of different loops are there and how to use them. Now we'll look at how to use if-else conditions in Solidity. So what we are trying to create is basically a function which takes in a string as input. We'll match that string with other string, and if that string matches with the other string, we'll return a value, and if the string does not match the other string, we'll return a different value. So we can cover if else statement. So let's start with a function. We say check, and we have defined a function. Now let's take an input, say string memory name. Let's take a name, and now what you do is you create it as public, and you want to return a value, right? So you say returns, and you say string memory. Now what you have done is you have created a function which takes a string name as input, and you give out a string as output. Now what you do is you basically check this particular name is equal to something. So let's take an example of our channel name. Now what we do is we will take something like ketchup 256, and we will take abi dot encode packed encode packed, and we take it as the name, and we would say like double equals to we would say the name of our channel, which is basically Block Tribe, and yep, so that's it. Now what we want to do is we want to return a value. So return value. Okay, so let's not do like this. So now what, let's try to return a value equals to good YouTuber. So yeah, okay, so now let's also define the value string memory value. So we have defined the string. Now what does it say? It says infinite gas. Okay, so let's make this function as pure. So what does this say? String memory. String memory. Yeah, I think so. It should. Okay. Oh, okay. So it does not return. That's why it says this. So let's return, and let's cut the crap. Okay. So now we will also take else if, and else if would be we would take a condition where we are checking for one more else if, and we would say crypto zombies. Now we would pass the value as good coding place. Okay, so this is what this change is returned. Okay, I think so we missed this. Okay, yeah, now let's take an else where we would say value as rest okay. Okay, so we have described us as the best YouTuber and crypto zombies as the best coding place. So and rest are okay. So let's go ahead and try to deploy this. Now what we do is basically when we go ahead and deploy, we would pass, let's try checking with this. Okay, so it says good YouTuber. Now let's pass something as something XYZ, and when you pass, so it says rest are okay. I don't think so. Okay, so now let's try to pass crypto zombies as well. So it says good coding place. So this is how you would basically use if else conditions in Solidity, and you can also pair them with for loops. There are different ways to do that. If you want, I can make a video for that as well. So that's all for this video. Please let me know if you have any doubts, or if you want me to make something specific for this regarding Solidity. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any doubts. Thank you.